voice assistant. What can I do for you?
List apps.
Here is all your listed apps. Anything else?
Open Notepad.
Opening Notepad. Anything else?
Tell me the weather in Dhaka.
Weather in Dhaka is haze, the temperature is 25.99 degrees Celsius, and the humidity is 61%. Anything else?
What is the time now?
Current time in Bangladesh is 21 hours 9 minutes and 52 seconds. Anything else?
What is date today?
Current date in Bangladesh is November 11th, 2023. Anything else?
News. News.
Here are the top 5 latest international news topics. 1. China has a sweeping vision to reshape the world and countries are listening, CNN. 2. Palestinian officials say Israeli airstrikes hit Gaza hospitals, Reuters. 3. Rumor says Samsung's mid-range foldable phone will be impossibly cheap, Sam Mobile, Samsung News. 4. How bad is Gaza's disease outbreak amid the Israel war? Al Jazeera English. 5. ICBC trying to curb impact of US ransomware attack, says China, Financial Times. To read more about a topic, say tell me about topic followed by the topic number. Anything else?
Tell me about topic.
Anything else?
Decrease volume to 50.
Sorry, that is not a valid command. Anything else?
Volume down to 50.
Volume set to 50%. Anything else?
Volume up to 60.
Volume set to 60%. Anything else?
Exit.
Goodbye.